vibes always lie. Let's go.
What's up, Claw fam? We're gonna be playing Barber Cut Light. We've got cash in here apparently, so we're gonna go for it and see if we can win it. Be interesting. I'm gonna go for the one that's cut a little bit right there. Just about to go, so let's see if we can win it. Oh, just missed it. Dang, that's about to go though. Oh, missed it again. Get a good zoom on that real quick. Alright. Oh! Oh, that was so close. I like nicked it. About to go. It's 105s too, so it's $500. That's pretty sweet. Come on. Oh, just missed it again. It's about to go. Oh, missed it. Dang it. Just missing it. Oh, that's about to go. It's cutting it. Alright, ready? Came up all the way. Think I'm about to win it. 500 cash. Oh, dang it. Dang, I am so close right now. That is about to drop $500 cash. Oh, man. Man, gosh dang it. Oh my god, again. I cannot get it. I don't know what it is. Hopefully I can film this well, because it's really hard to play and film. Oh, that was it. Dude, that is about to go. Look at that. Yes! Nice! $500 cash. Oh my god. Look at that. Heck yeah. Oh my god. Dude, that took forever. That string, it's like every thread on that string has been cut. $500 cash. Nice. That is crazy. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out my channel below. I make a lot of arcade videos just like these. Subscribe if you hadn't. Snapchat, Instagram, links are in the description. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.